Hello everyone, this is Professor Simi Rakshit, associated with Swami Vivekananda Institute of Modern Science, Kolkata. In this video, I am going to talk about cost of capital. I have already made a video on cost of capital, and in this video, I am going to talk about cost of preference share capital. So let's see what is cost of redeemable preference share capital. Cost of preference share capital is that part of cost of capital in which we calculated the amount which is payable to preference shareholder in the form of dividend with fixed rate. Symbolically, cost of redeemable preference share capital can be calculated using the following formula. Cost of redeemable preference share capital is equals to dp plus rp minus ip divided by n whole divided by rp plus ip divided by 2, where dp is equals to dividend on preference share, rp is equals to redemption price, ip is equals to issue price, n is equals to redemption period. Now I am going to give you a numerical example, and by this numerical example we can clearly understand the calculation process of this cost of preference share which is redeemable. And there are three situations like at par, at 5% premium and at 5% discount. And the total preference share, the total amount of preference share which is 10 lakh, and it is issued at 10% dividend, and the life of the preference share is 10 years. Underwriting commission is 2%. So by this information, we have to calculate the cost of preference share. So now I am starting the solution. First, I will calculate the value of redeemable preference share, means cost of this redeemable preference share for the first situation when it is issued at par. So this is the formula. By this formula, we can easily calculate this. First of all, we will calculate DP. So DP is here dividend per share, and the total value of redeemable preference share is 10 lakh and dividend rate is 10%. So by this, we can calculate the DP, and the value of DP will be 1 lakh. Then the next one is RP. RP is redemption price, and the total value of redeemable preference share is given, which is 10 lakh. So here the redeemable price is also 10 lakh. Now issue price. So at the first stage, it is issued at par. That means not overvalued or not undervalued. So we can easily take the total value, which is 10 lakh. And now we will deduct 2% underwriting commission from this 10 lakh. And the result will be here 9,80,000, which is IP, means issue price. And N is here the number of year is 10. Now we will put this value in this formula, and after putting the formula we will get the result. Result will be 10.3%, means when the company will issue debenture, means redeemable preference share at par, then the cost is 10.30%. Now I am calculating the cost of capital for 5% premium, means when it is issued for 5% premium. Formula will be same, and DP is also same at 1 lakh. RP is also same, which is 10 lakh. IP will be changed because now the redeemable preference share is issued at 5% premium, means at overvalued. So that's why we will add this 5% and we will get 10 lakh 50. Now we will deduct 2% of underwriting commission, and we will get the actual IP, actual issue price is 10 lakh 29,000, and N is number of years, means total time period is 10 years. Now we will put this value in this formula and we will get the result, which is 9.57%. The next I will calculate for 5% discount, means when the redeemable preference share is issued at 5% discount, means at undervalued. Formula is same, and DP is also same 1 lakh. RP is same, is 10 lakh. IP will be changed. IP is issue price. So first of all, we will deduct 5% from this 10 lakh and we will get the value 9 lakh 50,000. Then we will deduct 2% underwriting commission from this 9 lakh 50 and we will get the ultimate result, which is 9 lakh 31,000. And N is 10 years. Now we will put this value and ultimately we will get the result, which is 11.07%. This is the value of redeemable preference share capital when it is issued at 5% discount. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.